Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Meghalaya will have a spacious zoo soon, says Meghalaya Forest Minister James K. Sangma. Catholic Archbishop Most Reverend Victor Lingdor released the song China Pine to commemorate late Archbishop Dominic Jala. Meghalaya Additional Chief Secretary D.P. Walang today reiterated that the MTED certificate is valid for lifetime. West Jaintia Hills SSLC and HSSLC pass students express apprehension as they are yet to get admission in different educational institutions, and KSU Jawai unit stops the construction work of petrol pump at Mintadu in Jawai. And now the news in detail. Meghalaya Forest Minister James K. Sangma today said the state will have a spacious zoo soon. Speaking at the valedictory function of the Wildlife Week held at Lady Hydri Park in Shillong, Sangma said the state will soon have a spacious zoo in the state as the previous governments were unable to do that. Sangma also said that it is pathetic to see the captive animals at Lady Hydri Park unable to move freely. He also said the people who dwelt in forest areas should understand that they take care of the natural resources in which they depend their livelihood.
A reminder to each and every one of us of the kind of responsibilities that we have towards Mother Nature, towards our planet Earth, which is our one and only home. I would like to at the outset congratulate our ECCF and HOF, Balingwa and his entire team for the successful organization of Wildlife Week 2021. I'm happy to be here to share the dais and to be part of this program and to be part of this meaningful occasion with our officers and like-minded individuals who are such an ardent voice for the environment and for wildlife. I myself, I'm a huge proponent of our natural capital, and also of our biodiversity heritage. And I truly believe that it's about time that we pull this discourse into the mainstream policy and public consciousness, and we take it away from its current status on the ideological fringes. Mr. Harish had mentioned about how politics is my profession. He's absolutely right. I sometimes do say this, that politics is my profession, but the environment and wildlife is my passion. And today I feel so blessed that I have been given this opportunity to serve as the Minister in charge of Forest and Environment, and it's truly something that, being so passionate about it, I feel that God has given me this opportunity to make a difference.
The Chief Executive Member of Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Titos Tarwal Khan, today said that he will urge the Meghalaya ministers to base on documentary evidence while trying to resolve the interstate boundary issues between Meghalaya and Assam. Speaking to the media after the meeting with the traditional heads of Hima Millem, Nongspung, Jirang and Nongklao held at Nongpo in Riboy district, Khan said he will meet the Meghalaya ministers to urge them that resolving the boundary issues between should be based on documentary evidence.
Kaban kuat mandum dalam ikut Islam dokumen kibedei bat kating penskem geduni yang pun sam jongka district geduni lani jongka council geduni jongki hima hibaham ko ka Khasi Autonomous District Council te kali jarang hatu ko state government kala sedang ye ketingnya keren kejongkan kebantaran pendeno ikut sam bat Sultan Assam. Jadi kalian kerjani ina pengkeloi nak kalian kerjani, dan doman lagi dokumen, dan akhirnya sisa kas sim kaba kastet kaba nikau ni ladem, kaba mul bagi ladem dan pengkeloi ia ka report Jadi documents lani kima ni kino kikot Islam kikot pensya hari singelai bagi pur usam jom ti hima khasi kibaha bako khasi autonomous district council. Tabawal ni yang kalau kata nomor ba ka territorial state ke jogi kakun hima khasi ni yang kalau kata nomor. Dengan tak ada ilmu hilang di teknologi mentakasi kalau bahagian bagi ada sobat first round ketika final round kawan yang kuat dan ke sehingga kedua bermakna lagi nama bagi orang tempat Shillong nama kita kadang ke situasi dalam kondisi tentang COVID-19 di Aslam negeri Jembat di akhir orang yang nampak nampak kam jangan kalau tajuki dengan ada wilayah mentakasi ketika telur jimat bagi kita jimat susu nak lihat tajuki Bakundo begini, pencana yang kami report kepada orang legal documents kepada pun council yang nomor bantui yo urusan.
Speaking to the media after a lot of confusion among teachers that the certificate would be valid only for 2 years, Additional Chief Secretary DP Walang said the MTET certificate is like the NET certificate, which is valid for lifetime. He also said those who have passed the MTET are not required to sit again for another examination with those who have not cleared it in the previous years.
For lifetime, so logically, the MTET will be long valid for a lifetime. Why should it be valid for 2 years only? Namarba can have the exam, you fail the second time. We don't know what will be the outcome of the examination. Yang way kalau pass CCN can be long valid for a lifetime. So initially, apa dunia MTET certificate kat the rule how to report valid for 2 years, but then the government of India, the NCP, the Flash ni la long lifetime. Ke nak tahu ni permi sakoi ke notification hadian berarti belah pass MTET berkhid ke certificate kan long valid for a lifetime. So as of today, baru belah pass MTET ke certificate kan long valid for a lifetime. There is no need for them to panic. There is no need for them to write the exam again. So they can apply for any interview later on in any government-aided institution or government institution with that old MTET certificate. Saya ketika exam menjadi MTET, LP ketika step, upper primary ketika janmian, hoy, tambah kibla pass kimdan kamaling, yele show. There is no requirement or kita kibla pass net sistem kim juli yele show they get that second time. La pass kemudian long valid forever. Bagi part 1 approach support DRT, lada kita ada stage for DRT can reissue the certificate with my. Please tell them not to panic and not to be afraid of. I'm speaking with full authority about long valid for a lifetime.
Large number of SSLC and HSSLC pass students under the leadership of Jainta Youth Federation today met LS Lingdo, Joint Director School Education Literacy, West Jainta Hills in Jowai, and apprised him on the apprehension that these students have as they are yet to get admission in the different educational institution. The Joint Director told them that the state government is compiling the data in this regard and will try its best to solve this issue. During the discussion with the Joint Director, the names of 70 students who are yet to get admission were given to the officer to ensure that these students are also accommodated in the different schools and colleges.
Kam di prosedur juga verify ini. Pada rakyat yang juga report, saya kesorkan meeting dengan pada perdiam ini, baik pedin ke negara, ke kesorkan, namun tu lega ke darah lagi ke yang juga kamu dua negara yang sen bahawa ini cuma kami juga ada macam negara Kristen yang ini kami insubordinate officers itu nanti buat juga murah itu buat kita và rải vẫn đào kim phá cát The Hillary, Kayilaway Kerman in the Hawa, let us forecast them one serious. Him dog, you're getting the steps, put to the meeting, we will instruct you or initiate the process of fact finding. You are there on him.
The president of KSU Jawai Unit, A1Me Power, and its publicity secretary, Nidapoi Shadab, along with members, today forcibly stopped the construction work of a petrol pump at Mintadu in Jawai. Speaking to the media, the KSU leaders said they stopped the construction work because these migrant labourers did not have the labour licence. The KSU leaders also said these migrant labourers could work in this petrol pump because they were allowed by the traditional head of Mintadu village.
Ula nagaliang tunggu ula ong ba la ada biaran bat urang ba Shillong ban pentere ya gane lega ba sosi pada kini kita par di pos ini kan da biang setia ya kikat isla jengki kumbangi latip ba hang apa jela jengi la sedang menterikam ya ka work permit dari buat tang ya ka labor license kim syam adon swa bakin wan tre jekan ka po sepo kan ka jela ka jengi kumtangi nagaliang jeng kasang ni la tersane ya gane ka jeng tre ba kim yok pat menteri tat haduk bakin dayok ye kikat isla jangki lada maki kim yok ye kikat isla jangki nginom sya lano bakin menteri pok gane kejela ke jangi kawai susu ke basosi yang ngi kikon jangka samla Shillong bat kumjo ye barok khoj ki samla jangka jat benriu hi nginang gieng ban yele kumno ban be ye kini ki mender ki bawan sikini pok sini pok jela ke jangi nei those kat hauni orang ba Shillong penban ule perdet ni don kamensem sangsingan we belak don orang ba Shillong bapek perman jika Shillong ngatau lene ba unom sya makin wan kini mender apo ke Shillong ngatau henry pose une orang ba Shillong ule don bor bad uai penban yaki NOC bakin wan tre po ni kejela jangi klaim datip ke Shillong klaim datip kadong kumba syadmi ke ketien malang por sakapor ki khot tang ki isu ki long ki balor ni handrai ngin yai peteng ban lor ni ki kumkini ki jatkam ke jingle jong ne orang ba Shillong.
The Catholic Archbishop of Shillong Archdiocese, Most Reverend Victor Lingdo, today released the song entitled Kuchaina Pine at a simple function held at the hall of the Cathedral of Mary Help of Christian at Limekra in Shillong. The song was immediately uploaded in the YouTube channel after it was released. The program was attended by the Ines K. Warshong, Father Paul Olingkot, SDB Provincial Shillong Province, Father Pascal Lingdo, Parish Priest of the Cathedral Parish, Father Julius Kurba, Assistant Parish Priest, Cathedral Parish, Father Michael Makri, Director of Don Bosco Youth Centre, Father Felix Linkoy, Sister Anita Walang Pasanteo, VSDB, and relatives of late Archbishop Dominic Jala. The song is sung by Vinisha K. Warshong. Its lyric was written by Desmond Rimaki Sun, and the finishing touch was given by Father Pascal Lingdo. Father Julius Kurba led the program with an invocation. Others who spoke on the occasion were Orester Jala and Winfried Warshong. The concluding prayer was delivered by Father Richard Majau, Vicar General of Shillong Archdiocese.
Lẽ mà đừng cầm nó lấy sự buồn bên cái lá mà gọi mình internet nó và đây là quay nó cầm cái gì cũng mà bà cái chiếc cái đũa bằng đũa cho ngà và ý cái lồng phá bà thì ông ấy là những lăng sự bộ America ngà ông ấy em làm lại mình đấy nằm mà bà ngà đơn program sự bộ Germany program cho ngà rồi stay cùng bà siêu benai tu nahi Tikuta man kasih yang ialah yang asbuk jaga po Itali kapag pagjulik menurut. Seplai nama apa balik sepo ketu kajaga kami. Maria Korenti berkuat kami manajam ka. Maka sit penengkong hima imong yang tinggal juai. Buat sit kapong nengkong mengai tu tinggal juai. Dia kini kepor pak di imong yang ini dua, ini Shillong ta, Singapore yang tang Isalem, Bamja restoran teter. Nang ta sebut kecilikai tu yang but try na prem chong pi baro te khamlong pralok hi mangai marwei nado snam arjani wei la trai badi hang ni poro chen long trai bari teng ine chen stai nang tap pendero hadin pandero dalam trai tu no i pa yang kasno kendong akwa beli masih kendong yang ham trai akwa baju kra ani imene ba shikomu i ma Agak cinggung macam ini hari ketuk ketik porpat lalap sedapan benar menang shop jangan noston aju pendam melodi dari cik suret jumlah layak letih habagan orang cingi akan menang por dan por pangangat cingi aru akan yang ke finance cenungan pai cenungan kumpa berapa hiru kemat save kita kasih situation ngasemui ini nang tahu nak poin stasiun jawai lo cenungan pai dan por yang gini benar jalan siapa akar kalah yang di pulau nak jawai kamsuk paling li cerai kalau timah sekomu tolong yang tan man bedan mengaku berbuat siapa mah hanong stone hajawai metlap hang ni merepoi haplon jalan yang ni teo wan baru bishop ke mana ni mereka ke bishop non siur man dari mana kata seduai dalam bagian yang baik kam kejam. Dengan keren pun mengambil sebuah program support jawai dan mengatakan I kublai sejasen ya Indonesia ini pagi bah rangi setanat but kublai pi kublai untuk doi but kublai ya bishop ya kata kecingja Thai bom cekut ini saya dalam nak benda jangi baru ko try to ID kecingja Thai bom cekut inจะถ่ายกันจริงสุดคุบเลยปีบารอ
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.